All right, video documentary adjusting the EXCV or something exhaust valve servo for a 2018 Suzuki GSXR 1000. First thing I did was take the panel off, inspect the valve itself here. Basically, you got this rotating doohickey. Pictured here is the exhaust set valve, the cover removed. The cover can be removed with a 10mm ratchet and socket and 2-inch extension. Finally, circled is the mounting bracket adjustment bolts, 10mm wrench needed. You loosen the nuts after you get your reading. I'll show you the procedure to get the reading. But basically the cable goes through these bolts, which can be adjusted with an 8mm wrench to get your sensor reading to the right voltage. Once the sensor reading is at the right voltage, after a couple 10 minutes writing or so, 5 minutes writing, it should clear the C46 check engine light code. I looked at some forum posts. I'll link them in the description, but basically on the older bikes, it was a lot easier to sort of troubleshoot this issue. They had two connectors. One was for the servo. One was for the power. One was for the actual sensor readout, and the power being for the servo. On this newer model, they incorporate that into a single plug. So you can't just unplug the power and then sort of, what you would do is you would basically give the sensor either plus 12 volts or minus 12 volts on a differential 2-wire pair, and then you would read the voltage output of the sensor, and if it was off, you could adjust your valve to correct it. But since it's all in one plug, if you unplug it, you can't power the sensor. So what I've done is I've taken an oscilloscope, which you can get cheap ones on Amazon. They're not too difficult to learn how to use. And what's nice about this is you can just shove a pin in there to get your voltage readout. Now, additionally, you have to give the sensor plus and minus 12 volts because you have to go to the open and close position of the servo valve. But when you turn the bike on, it does that. It goes open, close, and then it goes to like some startup position. So that's exactly what we see here. And so you can see that initially it went to about 1.36 volts, and then 4.3 volts, which is a little bit out of spec, and is probably why I'm seeing my check engine light. I put it in dealer mode, C46 exhaust valve, so attempting to readjust it without taking it to the dealer, because I'm a cheap bastard who doesn't trust them. Stay tuned for more. Pictured here is the startup sequence once the ignition key is turned on. I believe the kill switch cannot be off as well. The valve goes fully closed, fully open, goes to some initial angle for startup. So the process is a bit of a trial and error. You get your initial voltages for close and open, you have your specs, and then you loosen both of the adjustments, and you can move it around just a touch to see how the sensor voltage changes, and then you can figure out how to adjust your servo, or you can just adjust it one way and see what happens. And so then you basically get you want your both voltages to be in the middle. Now, if you have wear and usage on the cables, maybe it stretches. That's why you have a range. So you get the first one voltage set to the middle of the range, and then you see what the second one is. And if it's a little farther away, then you get them both sort of in the middle of each of their respective ranges. And once that's done, you're finished, and you just put everything back together and go ride, and it should sort itself out. One thing I'd like to add is that don't immediately expect the code to clear. I put it in dealer mode afterwards, and the code did not clear just simply by turning it on. You do have to go ride it for 5 to 10 minutes. I was doing low speed stuff, and it was probably working the valve quite a bit. So don't do what I did and think that it didn't work, because it may not happen immediately. I hope this helps some of you out there. I know you're not complete nerds like me, but I know some of you out there are electrically inclined, and it really is not that difficult of a system if you have the proper tools. Good luck, guys. I hope this helps someone.